Alright, the next thing we're going to program a motor to run. And so again, I'm going to start with some pseudocode. So I have two backslashes, and the first thing we're going to do is type in our pseudocode. So we want our right motor to start. So I'm going to say start right motor. And let's leave it on for 5 seconds. So I'll say wait 5 seconds, and then let's stop the right motor. So now that we have our pseudocode written, we can go in and turn that into a real code using natural language. So I'll tab all of this over. So the first thing we want again is start motor. When you're doing a motor, you want a parenthesis and you want to tell it what motor it is. In this case, it is right motor. Then you put a comma in and you set the speed for that motor. In this case, let's make it half speed, and let's make it in the forward direction. So remember, you can put a negative number in to make it opposite direction, or a positive number to make it the forward direction. And so 63 would be half power in the forward direction. Next line I need to put in, we need for it to wait. We're going to say 5 seconds. And then what do we want it to do? We have to turn it off too. And so I'll say stop motor, parenthesis, tell it what the motor's name is, and again that's from the motor and sensor setup. In this case it's right motor, and we don't need any power setting for it, so that should do the trick. And then come back in here and backspace all of my pseudocode so it lines up nice and neat, so it's easy to understand. Compile the program. I have 2 errors. These S's should not be capitalized, and I know that from looking down here. Compile it again, download it to the robot, click start, and see if it works. So there you go, programming a motor.